Hello, today we're making fenugreek seed sprouts with ground turkey. So fenugreek seed sprouts, it takes a couple of days to sprout. So the first day, what we're going to do is we're going to put 3 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds, 3 tablespoons, and then we're going to pour some water and then rinse it. That's on first day. And then pour some water again. And soak, basically soak. Alright, so we just soak it, and then on the second day it will look like this. Look like this. Okay, it's not sprouted yet. All right, and on third day, so on second day you still have to rinse with water again. So you have to rinse with water a lot, almost every day, a couple of times maybe. Okay, then cover with cotton cheesecloth like this. Okay, and on third day or fourth day you will see something like this, So as you can see here, you see sprouts, right? Okay, so that's the focus of this video. And once you have sprouts, then you can just eat it, or you can mix it with anything. So today we are mixing with ground turkey. Okay, so ground turkey wise, we are adding, we're making, starting with the avocado oil, about 2 tablespoons, and then mustard seeds, about 1 tablespoon, and as one seeds, there's also 1 tablespoon, and then a little bit of maybe 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. I'm sorry, not tablespoon, maybe you just need teaspoon. Okay, and just fry it, about 10 minutes. So it takes about 10 minutes. Okay, so 10 minutes just fry it with medium heat, and once it's ready, then just mix it with fenugreek seed sprouts you just made. You may want to rinse it, and as you can see here, we're just pouring it, and then we're gonna cook it for another maybe 3 minutes. So this is the whole process. And then add some salt, or whatever taste you need. So we're on low salt, so we put a little bit of salt on it. And so this one basically you can eat with tortilla or with rice, or just eat it, And right now this smells really good. It's coming along pretty good, Okay, so now we're almost ready, and we're gonna eat. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Give us a thumbs up. Thank you again. Bye.